Hello guys, welcome to a brand new tutorial on how to install Maven on Windows 10 machine. Before jumping into the video, I would request you guys to hit that like button and subscribe button. Let's get into the video. So today we'll be talking about how to download Maven, how to set up the environment variable for Maven, and go just briefly over Maven local repository. So first to do that, open up your browser and type download Maven, and once you're on the page, click on maven.apache.org. Inside this web link, you'll see binary zip for Maven. Click on that. So you'll start downloading your downloading Maven. Once your download is completed, go to your downloads folder, right click on the zip file and do extract here. So once it's extracted, either you can directly copy the folder or you can just open it and then copy this. After you copy the files from the Apache Maven folder, go to this PC, go to your C drive, and inside program files, create a new folder, name it Maven, and inside Maven, copy the files that you copied from the Apache Maven folder. So once this is done, copy the path for it. So we've now downloaded and copied all the files inside the Maven folder. Now the second part is to set the environment variable. So to do that, you can simply type environment variables and click on environment variables, and under system variable, create new, do m2 underscore home and copy the path, take bin out, do OK, and then select for path, do edit, and here you can say m2 underscore home slash bin. Click OK and click OK. Now to check if you have installed Maven or set up the Maven variable, you can do command and you can say Maven -version. So we've done two parts to this video already. One downloading Maven and the other one is setting up the environment variable. The last part for this video is Maven local repository. You guys really don't need to worry about that too much. It's just where Maven downloads its dependencies from the central Maven repository to the local. So let's just go and see where it downloads. It really downloads the dependencies. So to do that, go to your C drive and users, and for me it's SD1, and you see this .m2 folder. So this is where like all the dependencies from Maven repository gets downloaded when you do like Maven update, or you download the dependencies. So these are all the dependencies. This happens when you have the pom.xml file and then you declare dependencies on pom.xml file, and once you import the dependencies, like this is where it downloads it. So we've covered all three sections of it. I hope you guys really learned something out of the video, once again, hit that like button, subscribe button. It really helps me grow my channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the other video. Also, a quick note, if you guys want to learn how to download Java and install Java Path on your system, make sure to check out my other videos that I've talked about downloading Java and installing Java and setting up Java Path on Windows 10 machine. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on the other video.